Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading for January. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we see for you starting 15th of January till the end of this month. So let's go ahead and see what are the messages that we are seeing for you from the tarot cards. The first card that I see for you is Hierophant. Your second card is Six of Cups. And the third card is Temperance. Now with Hierophant, it is Taurus energy, okay, and that means that you are thinking about marriage commitment, okay, because that energy is a very stable energy. It talks about something where you think long term. It's not something you're thinking for the short term. It's not something where you want to have that instant gratification. No, the energy that is there is for something that you plan for the future, something which is very, very long term. Now the second card that I see for you is Six of Cups. Now Six of Cups is the energy where you miss somebody. So Six of Cups is whenever you're alone, you sit down and you have these memories with this person. Okay, if you were in a relationship of it was an instance where there's some kind of a breakup, so you miss this person, you remember this person, the memories that both of you have. And if there was a situation that something happened and both of you parted ways, you're now thinking, is there a possibility where you can go ahead and bridge this gap, and is there a way to revive this relationship? Now the third card that I see for you is Temperance card, which means balance. You definitely understand that balance is required. Balance is something that you need to work on. Now let's take clarifying cards for all three of them. So for Hierophant, your clarifying card is again the Hierophant, and you have Six of Wands. So you are definitely thinking about marriage, and you are also looking at the Six of Wands, which means you want victory in the situation. So you want something which is stable, committed, and you would want to win this person over. So if you were in a relationship, or if you're currently in a relationship, you're thinking of marriage commitment, and you want to make sure that this person is with you for a very, very long time. Now the next card for you is Six of Cups. The clarifying card is Six of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. Now for some of you, this is not for everybody, but for some of you, Six of Pentacles means that you were sharing your time, money, energy with somebody, okay, because that's the sharing card. But maybe because of this entire situation has happened where maybe you both parted ways, okay, and now you remember them and you miss them. So what you're thinking now is of starting a new relationship, or maybe just starting fresh, okay, it's like a new beginning with this Ace of Pentacles, and you want to start again, have this new beginning for you and your partner, and you want to build it on a very stable ground. Now the third card for you is the Temperance card, which is balance. So the clarifying cards is Wheel of Fortune and the Nine of Swords. Wheel of Fortune means you're waiting for things to change positively in your direction. With Nine of Swords, it means that you're having stress and anxiety. You're also having sleepless nights. So there could be a reason, there could be something that has happened which is causing you a lot of stress and anxiety. Now let's take one card here from the Moonology Oracle deck to see what is the message that we have for you. So the message that I see for you is balance, spirituality, and practicality. So you need to create a balance, okay? If you don't have balance in your life, you need to understand that too much of anything, okay, is not good. It could be with regards to work-life balance. It could be with regards to your personal life. You have to maintain a balance, and that's something that you need to work on. Now that's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.